Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's June 28th, and we're out here at the cornfield, and we're going to talk about when to harvest corn. Okay, our corn looks all nice and toasty. We've done harvested once on here, but we're going to go through. We've left some ears. Now this is field corn or a dent variety, so this is something like you'd use for feed, for cornmeal, stuff like that. And when you want to harvest the cobs on here is when they start to break away. Now you can see easily this one's ready to harvest, but a lot of times you'll have one standing up, and it might be because the leaves are here. So I just put a little pressure on it to see if it's not ready, then I don't harvest it. But I'm going to go through here and harvest this. This is not like sweet corn. You want to get it to a certain amount of dryness, but what I'm going to look for is these ears that's leaning down, any fat ears that are still standing up, that when I put a little pressure on them, they want to go ahead and just release. If they're still solid, I'm going to give them a little bit more time. But it rained a little bit yesterday, so I wanted to wait till this afternoon. I don't like getting out in the heat, but I have to make sure that whatever water, and when these break away like this, water's not going to go down in the top, so their moisture will be a little bit lower in them. But I'm going to go through here and see what I have. Well, there you have it. One more bushel. That makes a total of 8 bushels off this stand, which isn't great, but it's great enough. Anyway, there's the corn harvest. And of course, if you want to see more videos of content like this, well, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, and give it a big thumbs up. And share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.